How to delete account on Shein app. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Shein application on a device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, tap on the Me section at the bottom right corner of the screen. As it leads you to your profile, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen again. As you do that, you can see the option of Manage My Account, so tap on it. Here, as you tap on Manage Account, you can see the option of Delete Account again. So tap on Delete Account, and here you'll be able to see there are different conditions for you to get your account deleted on your Shein app. So first of all, your ID needs to be verified over here. By ownership of this account needs to be verified. Your account order complete must be done, which is that there are no pending orders or returns for this account. Next, there is no wallet balance for this account. So this all needs to be verified in order to get your account deleted. And once the account gets deleted, it cannot be recoverable. So you have to just settle all this and verify all of these options and then tap on Apply to Delete Account, and then your account will be deleted after verification. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.